If you want to disable two-factor authentication on your Capital One account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account settings are updated. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Capital One website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. Look for the Security or Two-Factor Authentication option within this area. Step 3. Select Two-Factor Authentication. In the Security Settings, find the option for Two-Factor Authentication. Click on it to view your current authentication methods and settings. Step 4. Disable Two-Factor Authentication. You should see an option to turn off or disable Two-Factor Authentication. Click on this option and follow any prompts to confirm your choice. Step 5. Save changes. After disabling Two-Factor Authentication, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that the feature has been successfully turned off. By following these steps, you can easily turn off Two-Factor Authentication on your Capital One account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and regular monitoring.